Hi guys, my name is Malcolm D'Souza. I run this channel called Ready Set Clutch. I have this camera with me. It's the Fitspark Eagle i15 Pro. The naming convention, I may get it wrong. I've not checked really because I didn't buy it online. I bought it from a friend, but that's a whole nother story. A review is not what I'm doing today. I am not going to review this product. What I am going to talk about is actually this lens and how you protect it, the screen and how you protect it, even the front screen and how you protect it. I started using this camera on my bike. The picture quality is great, the video quality is great for the price, okay? My quality not so great, but we'll do a review later. I am getting a little carried away. Coming back to protecting the screen and why I want to do it. If this screen gets scratched, this is the touch screen. I mean, I don't mind if there are scratches on this touch screen here. I don't mind if there are scratches on this screen here. I mind if there are scratches on this lens. Now this lens is very important. If this gets scratched, I cannot replace it. I bought this on a budget and I am not going to spend another camera very soon. So why should you protect this lens? It's Mumbai, okay? There's a lot of pollutants out there, a lot of pollution happening in Mumbai. There's dust grains, sand grains, other pollutants, people spitting all sorts of stuff, and anything can fly onto this camera, right? Even small fuel particles or whatever. You just use your imagination. Even negative vibes fly onto this camera.
What?
So I was like, I want to protect the lens, and when I look for a screen protector online, I can't find one that is designed for the Fitspark. I can't find anything because everything that I found was a little expensive and designed for expensive camera like the GoPro or the DJI series. So I had an idea. Now the idea was that I put my own protection on this, not the kind that you're thinking about. What I did is I went to a local mobile store, any mobile store, and I picked up a screen protector, matlab plastic screen protector, glossy wala, matte mat lena. Don't take the matte protector. I got this for 100 rupees. I know there are cheaper ones, 50 rupees bhi aata hai, 40 rupees ka bhi aata hai. Why I didn't take those is because when you apply a screen protector on anything that is cheap, the glue is cheap, when you take it off, the residue could remain on the lens. So I spent 100 rupees for this protector. No brand, just go to a mobile store, buy a 100 rupees screen protector. As long as you know how to apply it, that is completely fine. You can even ask the shopkeeper to do this for you. Once you get this protector, I'll flip my phone camera and show you. If you look at this camera now, you will see that I have cut out the screen protector and applied it on the screen here. I have applied it on the front screen also, and those are fine, right? I mean, usko scratch lag gaya to chal jata hai. But the main thing was this section here, and if this gets scratched, I cannot replace that. Of course, the cutout is very raw. It's not a complete circle, but it works. So I made cutouts from the screen guard and I just pasted them here on all these parts. And for the video quality, you can look at the vlogs that I'm uploading on my channel. Those are shot in 1080p 60 fps. The audio is coming from another audio source, but the video is completely from this lens with this protector on. Now when this part of the screen protector gets scratched, or this one or the front one, I still have some spare left in this. I will cut that out and use it, and that will be my second set. And when that gets scratched, I will just go and buy one more protector and do the same thing all over again. So that's how you can protect your action camera, guys. If you found this useful, give the video a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and share it with someone who uses action cameras, especially if they are on a budget or they value their electronics and they want it to last longer. Share this with them. Thanks for watching. This is Malcolm D'Souza. You are watching Ready Set Clutch. For the next video, I might actually make a review of how the video quality and audio quality of this camera is. Or if you want to see the accessories also, drop a comment. I will tell you how I came across this camera. Actually, I'm going to do that in a vlog. I'm going to tell you exactly how I came across this camera. And that's all. Bye-bye.